If your passport is expiring or may be expiring within the next year or two, sis, now might be a good time to renew your passport. Hey, financial besties. How you doing? How you been? If you're new to me, my name is Malika. I'm a stock market investor and a money coach. I help women learn to invest with ease and build a portfolio for financial wellness. I'm out here on a wealth walk that I think I may start calling my faith walk. The air is cool and crisp. It's not too cold. I only have my hoodie on. The wind is blowing a nice breeze, and it feels really good. So when I go on walks, I just feel really connected. I love going on faith walks. That's what I'll call them now. But my passport was set to expire in March 2027. Yeah. So I still had 2 years left, but at the rate this country is going, I don't know what things are going to look like in 2 years. So I was like, let me renew my passport now. If your passport expires in less than 1 year, you can renew online. But if it's more than 1 year, you have to mail it in. So I had to mail it in, and I mailed in my application and my old passport with an expedited request. I had to pay $130 for the passport renewal, and I had to pay an extra $60 for expedited processing. And I mailed the passport application in on a Monday, and I believe I got my passport back like the next Tuesday. It was really fast. So I now have a new, freshly minted, all clean pages, 10-year passport in my hand. So my new passport doesn't expire until 2035. So there should be plenty of time until the felon gets out of office and the United States becomes civilized again. So if your passport is expiring or may be expiring within the next year or two, sis, now might be a good time to renew your passport before it gets to a point where they're not allowing any renewals, or worse, before it gets to a point where they close the borders and don't allow anyone to leave. Not fear-mongering at all, just sharing thoughts I've been having because of things I've been reading from the news outlets, and frankly, what's very possible, because I wouldn't put anything past this administration. But anyway, how long is your passport valid for? Are you planning to use it this year? Are you traveling abroad? Are you moving abroad? There's a lot of unprecedented things going on in our country. And to be honest, I don't think we've seen the worst of it yet. A lot of our rights have already been violated. Our economic stability is in question. Our global allies are looking at us sideways, rightfully so. But it's not good. It's not looking good at all. So have you thought about going anywhere? If so, where are you going? Leave a comment to let me know where you're going. And if you don't mind, let me know why you chose that place. It may be a place I should consider. Right now, my health is my number one priority. Second to my health is relationships. Good, quality, nurturing, reciprocal relationships. And then my finances. My finances are important, but the money is a tool. And as I mentioned in my live stream on Friday, money is a tool to live well. When I first retired, I had about 15 years between early retirement and traditional retirement. I'm now 50 years old. So now I only need to fund 10 years of my life before I can access the traditional retirement accounts. So that early retirement account that I created is more than enough. So I've been thinking about the environment I want to be in. I've been thinking about how I want to live so that my body can truly, truly heal. Mentally, physically, emotionally, and spiritually. I've narrowed it down to 3 places that fits my criteria. I'll share them in a future video, but one thing I will share right now is that where I currently am, my home country, is not a place that will allow for me to heal, to thrive, and to have peace. That much I know for sure. So, where am I going and when? I'll call y'all back later. If you enjoyed this video, go and hit that like button, sis, and share the video with a friend that you think it may help. I plan to continue sharing more of my journey in this new phase of life. If that's of interest to you, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video or go live. Until next time, bye for now.